Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here, and this is going to be a little bit of a unenveloping. Well, I already unenveloped it, and it's from the last giveaway winner, Mr. Blue Light Bandit. So I was coming downstairs this morning and saw a priority package in my mailbox, which I thought was kind of weird for a Sunday. But I guess they do deliver on Sundays certain things, I guess. Well, anyways. So I was sitting there, I opened up the package. I didn't really look to see where it was from or who it was from. I just opened it. Saw my name and opened it. And if I would have looked at the return address, I would have known exactly who it was from. And it's a appreciation gift to me for the Blue Ibanez. And I gotta tell you, I really appreciate what he did for me as well, sending this package to me. It is a company called Iron Age Guitars, and this is the flyer that came with it. Now, when I first opened it, it was a little bag like this, and they wrapped it kind of nice. It was in a nice kind of like a tissue paper, black tissue paper. There was 4 picks inside there. So I was like, okay, this is kind of cool. There's 4 guitar picks in different thicknesses, and one is a different size. So you've got, your 3 standard picks, okay, with their insignia on it or logo, and then there's one real heavy, smaller pick. So as I'm putting the picks back inside the bag, and I kind of opened it and I looked inside it like this before I stuck them in. There was another little bag inside there. This little tiny bag right here. And I guess you can have picks personalized by this company, which is a pretty cool. And the colors that are used as far as this pick goes, now I don't believe it is a type of a stone. I have to look into it on the paper that it came with to see exactly what this is made of. But it kind of, it's too light to be stone, but it looks like stone. And it's actually perfect colors, black and red, or gray and red. And damn, this is awesome. This is really awesome. So this is the pick. It's kind of a real heavy thickness, number one. And now I have a light here, which I don't know how it's going to work, but this little light right here, it's got a blue LED inside of it, will charge up anything that is will glow in the dark. So let's see if I can get this thing to charge. On the back of it, it has, I guess it's their logo on the back of the pick, which is pretty cool. But on the other side of the pick, there is something else. And I think this is even a lot cooler than the other side. So I'm charging it right now with the LED flashlight, this little light, and I'll see if I can get it to glow pretty good. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's glowing a little bit. Let's see if I can cut some of the light off. It has my channel's name on it. Well, my name on it. That's freaking awesome. I mean, this is cool. And I gotta say to Blue Light Bandit, thank you. I really appreciate this. This is a cool thing. So that's my little unenveloping, if you want to call it. Yeah, I can't get over it. This is really cool. This is real. Thank you, Blue Light, and I really appreciate it. So you guys take care, have a good one, and try to stay warm. It's getting colder out there again. Take care.